the Sharia gave a meaning to the word fasting. What is it? Al-imsak, it is to restrain. From what? 𝗪𝗵𝗿𝗵𝗵, from the things that break your fasting. مِنْ طُلُوعِ الْفَجْرِ إِلَى غُرُوبِ الشَّمْسِ مَعَ النِّيَّةِ, from the sunrise to the sunset with an intention. So you withhold from the muftirat, the things that break your fasting. And what are the things that break your fasting? It's going to be one of the classes and one of the episodes, inshaAllah ta'ala. So, it's to restrain. But this restraining is not mutlaq, it's not unrestricted. What I mean by that is, you restrain from particular things that the Quran and the Sunnah commanded you to restrain from. Whereas in the linguistic, in the lexical usage, it means to restrain from any and everything it can be used for. Okay? So it is to restrain, it is to withhold from the things that break your fasting. From sunrise to sunset. مع النية, with an intention. With an intention. Al-Shaykh al-Allama 𝗪𝗵𝗿𝗵𝗵 al-Uthaymin, he says that in the definition of the Sharia, it's necessary that the word at-ta'abbud is added onto it. At-ta'abbud is added onto it. So that is also important that we recognize that. That instead of just saying al-imsaku an al-muftirat, it is better to say at-ta'abbudu lillahi. It is to worship Allah to worship Allah by restraining from the things that break your fasting. So it doesn't just become a person who's not wanting to eat, who's restraining from food and drinking and sexual intercourse and etc. But he's not worshipping Allah with it. That's not considered fasting. Okay?